So I'm here at one of the stars of the show with Andrea,
Yeah.
of course,
Yeah,
and
of
and the
course.
HYMER Venture S.
Yeah.
Now I am, of course, I'm afraid, referring to this motorhome behind you. It's lovely to meet you. Thank you for taking the time to meet with us. Now you're the export manager for HYMER, aren't you?
Yes, correct.
So you're responsible for sending the product out of Germany to us here in Little Britain.
No,
Now,
Little Britain is not the smallest market we're having, so it's quite a big market for us, so it's really important.
Well,
We're selling all over Europe, more or less, and some other countries outside Europe.
Well, HYMER are huge. I mean, they've been in the UK for a very long time.
Yeah.
How old is HYMER now?
The company was funded in 1957, so we're, 65.
Yeah, incredible. Well, and this is a unique product for HYMER, surely.
Yes. This, we started with having this as a vision in 2019. We launched that in the Caravan Salon, and now the vision became reality. So now the vehicle is there, you can buy it, it's ready, and here we
So
go.
it was a prototype in Dusseldorf at Caravan Salon.
It was only a vision in the beginning,
Okay.
and now there was so much interest that we decided to produce a vehicle, and now it's come to serious status, and now we can start selling it.
And you can now actually buy one, can't
You
you?
can buy one. We can take the order now.
Well, there we are. If you want to buy one, I at this price, I'll have 3. So how much are they?
230,000
Euros.
pounds.
Pounds.
Yeah.
So £230,000 will buy you one of these.
It's a really high equipment vehicle, so it's a lot of equipment already standard. There's almost no optional extras, so it's really a small optional extra list. We're using a lot of special material in it, a lot of natural material like bamboo and so on, and that makes the vehicle so special.
So this has been a collaboration, hasn't it, between HYMER, Mercedes, and the chemical company BASF, BASF.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So what was BASF's input into this?
BASF's input was the elastomer cover on the skirt panels and a lot of our inside vehicle material. Yeah.
And it's all terrain, so it's 4-wheel drive.
Terrain, it's 4-wheel drive, and it has a lot of outdoory equipment.
And how heavy is it?
Oh, and now you got me. 4.1 ton. 4.1.
You remembered. So it's 4.1 tons, £230,000. And what's availability like?
We are now looking at summer 2024.
Okay, so a wait.
Yeah.
But what a
It's
vehicle
worth
you'd
the
have.
wait.
It's worth the wait.
Definitely worth the wait.
Well, we're going to go inside
Yes.
and have a little tour around, and I'll go on inside with your colleague.
Yeah, Jenny?
Hi, Jenny.
Hello.
Thanks for talking to us. So, should we go inside and have a look?
Yeah, sure.
Ladies first.
Thank you.
Wow. So there's lots of bamboo in here. You can see it, can't you?
Absolutely. We have a lot of very nice materials in here. There's the real bamboo that we have, the kitchen tiles on that side, the black tab, and all these grey colours. They look really, really convenient inside.
It's interesting. It's got a gas hob. Is an induction hob an option?
No, not yet.
So how does the pop roof go up?
It's inflatable. So you just push a button and it inflates itself. And within 5 minutes, the complete roof is up.
Wow. So how'd you get it down?
The same, you just push a button and then it deflates automatically. And the whole roof comes in.
That's incredible.
Isn't it?
That's very, very clever. This is just fantastic.
The bathroom here, and to create a shower you have to unlock it here.
So this is an extendable bathroom inside the HYMER.
Exactly. So we will unlock it here and then from the inside you can just swing the part of the with the sink and you will have a huge bathroom inside.
So the bathroom extends into the main cabin area, and then inside there's a wall that swings across, which is basically doubling the bathroom area and giving you a huge shower too. And then you fold the inner wall back.
And we're not using the shower, you just fold everything in back like this to save space during the day.
And you can still use the bathroom with the wall folded away, can't you?
Yes, you can use the bathroom and the toilet while it's been folded in.
And then folded away gives you a huge cabin area.
It gives you a lot more space in here, which makes it all look very spacious.
Amazing. Thank you ever so much for showing us that.
You're
really
welcome.
appreciate
You're
it.
welcome.
So not only is there a fold-down table in the front as a workspace, there's a big rear lounge with a bamboo table as well. And I'm going to join Andrea on the rear deck. It takes 350 kilos. She's having a little sit down. You comfy?
I'm doing yoga here now.
You're doing yoga? I won't be doing yoga.
Why not?
Not with my back. It's fantastic. So it's a totally different type of tailgate. It's brilliant.
And it's just great. You can sit inside, look outside. You can sit on the deck. Enjoy
I love it. It literally is a motorhome with a rear deck. Andrea, thank you so much for showing us around. I've loved seeing it. Have a great rest of the show.
Thank you.
And how long are you here for?
Until Monday.
Until Monday.
Yeah.
Well, have a safe trip back.
Down on Monday and then we fly back.
Yeah. All right. Have a great rest of the show.
You too. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any more questions, just come around.
Thank you. Brilliant.